Hi folks, welcome once again to Gaz Labs, and today I am going to be talking about this. This is a repeater filter, and it's a project that the four of us at work have actually got on the go. The idea was that we were going to try and get a repeater put in at work that is multi-mode and would help as many people out as possible, because where I'm located and where the shop's located, it's really limited on actual repeaters. And so this will actually do DMR, DMR, C4FM, D star, and I think it will even do P25. I'm not sure if that's what people want, but we'll probably run it on 2 or 3 to start with, and then we'll sort of expand out. We'll probably leave it on D star and Fusion, if you like. We'll leave it on C4FM. But the only niggle with this is this was donated by Bob. Thanks, Bob. And it's tuned for a different frequency. So what I've got to do is learn how to do this. I've never done it before. I have very limited tools. I've got a Mini VNA up there, which I think will actually do it. And if anyone out there knows how to do this and has any good ideas or how I can do it with just a network analyzer, then please feel free to leave some instructions in the description. Sorry, in the comments below. Now, my plan is this. Okay, I'm trying to approach this with a very practical view, and that is I'm going to try and read this and try and get an idea of how it is tuned with its present frequencies. So what I'll do then is I'll take a screenshot and then try and duplicate that with bit of help from YouTube, and then actually try and replicate the graph with the new frequency. Well, that's the plan anyway. I'll try and get as close to as possible. I think that it's going to be all right. I hope. Anything else? Really, I would show you the repeater. So I've got to really sort of say thank you to Martin Lynch and Sons, because number one, they're actually allowing us to put the repeater and the antenna up at the store, and it's got absolutely nothing to do with them. This really is. It's the four of us, the four amigos, if you like. Tony, Jonathan, John, and myself basically are putting this in. We're paying for it pretty much ourselves. However, we have been very, very lucky. I said earlier on, thank you to Bob, who donated this procom filter. He also donated the repeater controller, and Martin has donated the DR1 repeater to us, and John actually, one of the repeaters actually closed down near where he lives, and the antenna was donated to us. So we've got like miniature sort of folded dipoles and all that sort of stuff going in. So it's exciting stuff. I'm really looking forward to it. However, we've been so busy, and obviously with people not being there and stuff like that, everyone's working away. We haven't really been able to sort of like put the manpower into it. Now, obviously, I've got to speak to the guys at work about getting things like coax and plugs and stuff like that. And I think Dan at the shop is happy for us to, or happy to donate the plugs and stuff, and the coax. So we'll be putting that in. Hopefully, probably one weekend. We're going to try and get the outside stuff done before all the weather changes. So yeah, so anyway, there you go. So I just thought I'd give you a little update of what to expect, and I'm going to record the tuning of this. If it goes well, if it goes terribly, then I'm probably not going to do it. But we'll see. Like I said, I've never done this before. It's going to be a bit of a. I think it's going to be a bit of fun. We'll see. I don't think it can't be that difficult. It must be just fiddly, I think, more than anything. And I think if I take my time, providing I don't go too wayward, I can always put it back. What I'll do is I'll measure up the studs on there. I'll measure each one so I know I can put it back exactly where it came from. Yeah, so there you have it. So I'll let you know how I get on. But like I said, if any of you guys have any tips on how to tune this with basic stuff, I've got a Mini VNA here, and which I can do, which is quite old, but it's still pretty good. It's pretty close anyway. Let's put it that way. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you soon.